Find the distance between the points A and B in the following. Here, the first question is A comma 0, B 0 comma A. So here I'll consider these 2 points as like x1, y1, x2, y2. So AB distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if I'll substitute the values, AB distance, if I'll substitute the values here, x2 is 0 minus x1 is A whole square, y2 is A, y1 is 0. So here you'll get 0 minus A is minus A square, A minus 0 is A square. So this will get A square plus A square. So 2A square. 2A square. So under root 2A square, root 2 will be like, it will be root 2. Root A square will be A. So root 2A units. Now second part, A point is A comma B. B is minus B comma A. Now here this I'll consider x1, y1, x2, y2. So distance formula, if I'll write again here, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root x2 minus b minus a whole square, y2 a minus b whole square. See, when both are minus and it is whole square, it will be a plus b whole square, but I'll explain here. See, minus if I'll take common, minus of b plus a whole square plus a minus b whole square. So here minus whole square, so this will become plus, so b plus a whole square. B plus a whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now clearly plus 2ab minus 2ab will get cancelled. So a square plus a square 2a square, b square plus b square 2b square. So this is the answer, but if you want you can write one more step by taking 2 common. 2 if you will take common, under root 2 into a square plus b square units. This is the distance between a comma b, b minus b comma a. Between these 2 points, the answer is under root 2 into a square plus b square units.